Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to accept a job using JMS One. If you have not watched our last video, please watch Getting Started with JMS One. The link will be in the description. When you first open the JMS One app, you'll be greeted with the New Jobs tab. This will display new and assigned jobs. The cards with the pink background are new unread jobs, showing you have not opened the job to view the details. The cards with the white background are jobs you have previously read. Let's tap on the pink card to view the details of this job. On this screen, we can see there are 3 new tabs available at the top of the screen. These are Job Details, Job Notes and Location. Job Details includes the unit name, client name, shift date and time, shift type, the date the shift was added on, the job role and contract type. The next tab is Job Notes. This will open 2 new tab options below, Job Notes and Unit Notes. It will always be best to check these tabs as it may include important information. For example, this job required experience with dialysis machines. You are also able to add new job notes by clicking the plus sign in the bottom right hand corner. The last tab is Location. On this screen, you can see all the details about the location of the job. These include the full address, phone number, map and the distance in miles of how far away from the job you are. After reading through the details of the job and you are happy to work the shift, tap the Accept button. Congratulations, you have accepted your first shift. This job will now appear in the My Jobs tab. The status of the job goes to green and reads Booked. You can tap the job card to view the details of the job again. A timesheet will be generated when a job is completed and is only visible then. You will be required to fill in the timesheet, which will then be submitted to the shift in charge person. To find out how to complete a timesheet, please watch the next video. Thanks for watching.